Welcome to Module 10, Section 4, the final module in our digital literacy series. In this lesson, we'll explore AI tools, which are programs that can understand your questions and respond in plain English. Think of them like virtual assistants you can chat with right in your browser. We'll try 3 popular AI tools today: ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. All 3 are free to use, and we'll ask each one the same question so you can see how they compare. We'll also learn about something called hallucinations, which is when AI makes something up. Let's get started with ChatGPT. We're at chatgpt.com in an incognito window. You can see the ChatGPT homepage with a sidebar on the left and a text box in the center that says "What's on your mind today?" To create a free account, click Sign up for free in the top right corner. A sign-in window pops up with options to continue with Google, Apple, or your phone number. You can also type your email address below those options. We'll type our demo email and click Continue. ChatGPT sends a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, type the code into the field, and click Continue. Next, you'll confirm your name and age. Type your full name, enter your birthday, and click Finish Creating Account. ChatGPT asks what brings you here. You'll see choices like school, work, personal tasks, fun and entertainment, and other. We'll select Personal Tasks and click Next. Now it asks what you'd like to do with ChatGPT. You'll see options like Search, Get Organized, Get Step-by-Step Help, Shop Smarter, and more. We'll click Search and then Continue. ChatGPT opens an example conversation to show you what it can do. On the left, you'll see a welcome panel that says Ask Anything. It explains that ChatGPT can answer questions, help you learn, write code, brainstorm, and much more. Click Next to continue the tour. The next panel is called Picture This. It shows that you can describe an idea and ChatGPT will create an image from it, or you can edit a photo with just a phrase. Click Next. This panel is called Easy Uploads. It explains that you can upload images and documents for ChatGPT to summarize or analyze. Click Next. You'll see a screen that says You're all set. It reminds you that ChatGPT can make mistakes, and that chats may be reviewed and used for training. Click Continue. Now you're on the main ChatGPT screen. Before we start chatting, you'll see 3 tips at the top. Ask Away reminds you ChatGPT can help with all kinds of questions. Don't Share Sensitive Info warns you that chat history may be reviewed. And Check Your Facts reminds you that ChatGPT may give you inaccurate information. Click OK. Let's go to Dismiss this panel. Now we're ready to chat. The screen says What are you working on? And shows a suggested prompt. Help me write an email. Look to the right of the text box and you'll see a small microphone icon beside a small arrow icon. The microphone icon is the voice dictation tool, which converts spoken words into text. It enables hands-free communication, transcribing your voice in real time. Click the microphone icon to try it out. The arrow icon is what we click to send the chat. Now click the arrow or press Enter on your keyboard. ChatGPT responds with its default personality. It asks what the email is about and who you're sending it to. At the bottom of the response, you'll see a small prompt that asks, Do you like this personality? Click the thumbs up icon to confirm, click thumbs down if you don't like it, or click the X to dismiss the question entirely. Now let's type a real email request. In the text box, type, Write a professional follow-up email for a job application I submitted last week for an office assistant position at a local accounting firm. Hit Enter or click the arrow to send it. ChatGPT generates a complete email draft with a greeting, body paragraphs, and a professional sign-off. Notice that you can highlight any text in the response to see editing options. Click Ask for Changes at the top if you'd like to make adjustments. ChatGPT suggests a change to the greeting, showing Dear Ms. Lopez in a different color. You can click Accept to keep the change or Undo to go back. Click Accept, Then notice the email subject line above the greeting. You can click on it to edit it too. Let's start a brand new conversation. Click New Chat in the top left corner of the sidebar. In the text box, type a math question. If I sell 20 items at $15 each, and my costs are $8 per item, what is my profit? ChatGPT breaks it down step by step. Revenue is 20 times $15, which equals $300. Costs are 20 times $8, which equals $160. That gives you a total profit of $140. This is a handy way to double-check calculations for your business. Click in the Ask Anything box at the bottom to keep going. Let's start another new chat. Click the plus Ask Anything prompt bar. This time, we asked for 5 ideas to promote a small dog grooming business on social media. ChatGPT comes back with creative suggestions like before and after transformation posts, a Dog of the Week feature, short grooming tips videos, seasonal promotions, and user-generated content from happy customers. For our last ChatGPT example, let's ask a local question. Type, what are the current job openings at Lowe's Foods Kernersville, NC? This shows how you can use AI to research opportunities in your area. Keep in mind that results may not be perfectly up to date, so always confirm details on the company's actual website. Before we move on to our next AI tool, let's look at some important account settings. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner to open the account menu. You'll see options like personalization, profile, settings, help, and log out. Click Settings. On the General tab, you'll see options for appearance, language, and voice. What we want is data controls in the left sidebar. Click it. Under Data Controls, the first option is Improve the Model for Everyone. This controls whether your conversations are used to help train ChatGPT. It's currently toggled on. Click it to learn more. The Model Improvement dialog explains what this setting does. When it's on, your chats may be used to improve ChatGPT for all users. If you'd rather keep your conversations private, you can toggle this off. There's also an option about video recordings below. Click Done when you're finished reviewing. Now click Security in the left sidebar. The security page lets you add extra protection to your account. You can set a password, add security keys, or turn on multi-factor authentication. We recommend enabling the text message option so ChatGPT sends a code to your phone when you log in. Toggle it on. Finally, click Personalization in the left sidebar. This is where you can customize how ChatGPT responds to you, including your preferred name and interests. That wraps up our ChatGPT walkthrough. Now let's try Claude. We're now at Claude.ai. Claude is an AI assistant made by a company called Anthropic. If you have a Gmail address, click Continue with Google. If you want to use another email address, enter it in the box and then click Continue with Email. We're going to sign in with Google. A Google sign-in window pops up showing our demo account. Click Continue to allow Claude to access your name and email address. Claude takes you to an account creation page. Check the box to agree to the terms, then click Create Account. Claude asks for your birthday to verify your account. Click the month field and enter your date of birth. Then click Continue. You'll see Claude's pricing page with free, pro, and max plans. The free plan gives you access to chat, web search, code generation, and more. Click Use Claude for free. Claude offers a desktop app that adds features like Cowork and Code. For now, we'll click Skip to stick with the browser version. Before your first chat, Claude shares a few things to know. It mentions that chats are ad-free, that safeguards protect against harmful content, and that you can choose whether your chats help improve Claude. Click Continue. Claude asks what it should call you. Type your name into the field. We'll type PT for our demo account and hit Enter. Next, Claude asks what you're most interested in. You'll see options like coding and developing, learning and studying, writing and content creation, strategy, design and creativity, life stuff, and Claude's choice. Choose what interests you. Claude suggests a few topics to start with, like build better relationships, draft client proposals, or plan market research. You can also click My Own Topic at the bottom to type your own question. Let's do that. Now we're on the main chat screen. Let's type the same prompt we used with ChatGPT. Give me 5 ideas for promoting a small dog grooming business on social media. Using the same question across all 3 tools is a great way to compare how each one responds. Press Enter or click the arrow on the right side of the text box to start the chat. Claude generates its own set of 5 ideas. You might notice some overlap with ChatGPT's suggestions, but Claude may frame things differently or offer new angles. Comparing responses from more than one AI tool gives you a wider range of ideas to work with. Now let's try our third and final tool, Google Gemini. Let's walk through how to get to Gemini yourself. Go to gemini.google.com. You'll see a welcome page that says Meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. Click Sign in the top right corner. Google shows your available accounts. Click your account to sign in or use a different account if you prefer. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you pick the right one. We'll continue to use our Gmail address to sign in. We're now logged in. Gemini greets you by name and asks, "Where should we start?" Our dog grooming prompt is already typed in the text box. Before we send it, let's explore a couple of features. The plus menu shows options for attaching content to your prompt. You can upload files from your computer, add files from Google Drive, pull in photos from Google Photos, or connect to NotebookLM. Just so you know, NotebookLM is a Google AI-powered research and note-taking tool that acts as a personalized thinking partner. It allows users to upload sources such as PDFs, Google Docs, websites, and YouTube videos, and offers highly accurate, source-grounded answers, summaries, and audio insights like podcasts, while reducing AI hallucinations. Uploading files here lets you give Gemini extra context when you ask a question. Notice the tools at the bottom left of the prompt box. Click it to explore. You can create an image from a text prompt. Use Canvas, a workspace for editing, coding, and long-form writing. Do in-depth research to generate reports, create audio clips, and use guided learning, which provides educational assistance and structured learning. Now click the drop-down arrow next to Fast on the right side. This opens the Model and Tools panel. At the top, you'll see the Gemini 3 model options: Fast for quick answers, Thinking for complex problems, and Pro for advanced tasks. For now, we'll stick with Fast and click the Send arrow to submit our prompt. After we send our prompt, Gemini responds with another set of ideas for promoting a dog grooming business. This time the title is Small Dog Grooming Business Marketing Ideas. Take a look at some of the social media marketing suggestions that Gemini has generated. It has provided topics, possible content to incorporate, including audio, and overall goals. Here are more ideas from Gemini. AI should be used to assist, not substitute, human thinking. Remember that all AI tools, including ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, can hallucinate or generate incorrect or misleading results, so read everything carefully. Remember that you can provide positive or negative feedback on the response by clicking on either the thumbs up or thumbs down icon. The circular arrow beside the thumbs up and thumbs down icons is the regenerate icon. This allows users to generate a new response to their prompt. The button looks like a rotating arrow and is located near the bottom of a response. At the bottom, you see Gemini generated a quick marketing checklist with tips like claiming your Google business profile and asking satisfied clients for reviews. Now let's try one more thing. Click in the Ask Gemini box to start a new question. Earlier, we mentioned that AI tools can sometimes hallucinate. That means they generate information that sounds correct and confident, but is actually made up. Let's test that now. Type a question we know has a clear answer. Have aliens landed in Forsyth County, NC? Click the send arrow or press enter to submit the question. Gemini responds clearly. As of today, there have been no credible or confirmed reports of aliens landing in Forsyth County, North Carolina. It even explains common reasons why people report strange sightings in the area, like SpaceX Starlink satellites and military aircraft from nearby Fort Liberty. In this case, Gemini got it right and didn't make anything up. But AI tools won't always be this accurate. They can sometimes present false information with total confidence. That's why it's important to double-check facts, especially for health, legal, or financial decisions. And that's a wrap on Module 10, Section 4. Over these 10 modules, you've built skills in computer basics, internet browsing, email, word processing, Google Drive, social media, video conferencing, job searching, e-commerce and marketing, and now AI tools. You've come a long way, and these skills will serve you well in the workplace and in everyday life. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember that technology is a tool to help you reach your goals. And don't forget to complete the Module 10 post-assessment check-in to see how far you've come. Congratulations on completing the modules.